Hey everybody, I'm Taylor Downs, a core contributor at OpenFn. Today we're going to take a look at account setup and basic job composition.
Okay, so you've created your account and you've logged in. The first thing you'll see is the project dashboard. There will already be a project set up for you, and click anywhere on that tile to see your jobs. Now, OpenFn is an integration platform, and later in this video we'll be talking about how to connect various data sources like OpenDataKit or ComCare to common destination systems like Salesforce. But first things first, a tour of the interface. Jobs are those little snippets of code that actually execute when a certain trigger sets them off. You'll see that we've already created a sample job for you, and it uses a credential that will log you into a Salesforce sandbox. Beyond that credential, this job also takes a trigger, something that will set off its execution. And in this case, the trigger is a message filter trigger. So this job will run anytime a message arrives with a key value pair from OpenFn. We'll go check out that trigger. There it is. You can also create timer triggers that run on an interval, but for now we're just looking at this message filter trigger. Cool. If we check out the inbox, you'll see that we've preloaded it with a welcome message. Sure enough, this message is from OpenFn. You can see a user-friendly view of the message data here, or if you're using OpenFn, you'll probably want to get to the good stuff quickly. You can check out the raw JSON in the Power Editor. As you can see, there is a from key with the value OpenFn. So this message will trigger the running of that first job that we've set up. Now it hasn't happened yet because the job hasn't been the job wasn't activated initially. If you have this switch set to on, then the next time a message shows up, it'll automatically go through. But we wanted you to manually process the very first run just to see what was happening. Let's look back at the job, and you can see that what we're going to do in Salesforce is create an account and give it some fields, some attributes. So the name, that will be set by whatever we've got in the from key in our triggering message. The description will be set by sample text. The website will be set by website. And then the phone is actually hard-coded here to always be 8675309. Oof, I'm sorry for that. Now, if we check out the inbox, you'll see that this one message has matched against that sample job and is ready to run. So if we click this run button, we should see that sure enough it succeeds. So let's check it out. This message has only had one run that ever happened. It took place a few seconds ago. And if we look at the logs, you can see exactly what happened. So, OpenFn logged in as demo at OpenFn.org. It created a new account in Salesforce, setting the name to OpenFn, the description, the website, and the phone number. Again, apologies. And it returned a result, which was success, true, no errors, and a Salesforce ID. So we're all done, but what you want to do with OpenFn is not just run that welcome message that we've sent you, it's get other information sent to your inbox so you can build your own jobs, triggers, add your own credentials, and integrate your technologies. So in order to do that, the big thing you'll need is your inbox URL, which includes that API token. So when you create a project in OpenFn, you get an address on the web that is all your own. It includes a unique identifier, and with this URL, you can configure your various applications to send data to OpenFn. So I'm going to click on this yellow button, and it'll copy the URL to my clipboard. If I want OpenDataKit data to flow to this OpenFn account, all I'll do is log into ODK, find the form that I want to publish, and click this Publish button. where you're given an option of publisher types, select the Z-alpha JSON server and choose to either upload existing data, stream new data, or do both. In this case, we'll do both. I'm going to paste in that OpenFunction inbox ID, click Publish, add my email, and we're good to go. So now, in a few moments, we should see data flowing from OpenDataKit into our inbox at OpenFunction. In later videos, we'll show you how to create custom jobs, troubleshoot job writing as you go, and connect this OpenDataKit data to various other systems. Similarly, if you're using ComCare, navigate to the Data Forwarding tab under Project Settings and select to add a forwarding location. When you add a forwarding location, make sure the payload is JSON, and again, paste in that URL to forward to. I'll click Test Link and get a response 200 back quickly. So I'll start forwarding here, and let's go back to OpenFunction to see that we actually got the messages we wanted. Cool, sure enough, we have 2 new messages in the inbox. The first one appears to be a submission from OpenDataKit. We'll check out the Power Editor, and this is what ODK has sent to OpenFunction. This data can now be sent anywhere else on the web. If we go back to the inbox and look at our next message, it is a test message from ComCare, sent by user ID Cruella de Vil. Thanks, Demagi folks. So this is all set up to go. In our next video, what we'll do is we'll actually look at how to write custom triggers and more complicated jobs that will create multiple records in Salesforce, working their way through a repeat group in OpenDataKit. Thanks very much. Hope you enjoyed this intro video, and please don't hesitate to reach out on the forums or check us out at the documentation page, OpenFn.GitHub.io, where you can find lots of helpful hints and even sample jobs that our other users are uploading. Just go there and search for jobs or examples, and you'll see a ton of really useful code that can get you started. Alrighty, speak to you soon. Bye.